Let us learn how to look up which country belongs to which continent. The two ways to do so are 1. Using lookup value, and 2. By managing relationships. We have a table with unique list of country mapped to the continents they belong. In the annual sales data table, we will add continents using formula. Select Annual Sales Table, then click New Column. We will use lookup value formula, where first mention the column that we want as a result of the formula from another table, that is continent table. Second, mention a unique column, like country, from the continent table, and third, mention which column from current table is common to lookup. We now have a continent column added to this table based on country as common value between two tables. This can also be viewed as a list visual by choosing fields from the same table. Now select Model View from the left of the screen. Here, we see two separate tables with all column headings listed one below the other. Select Manage Relationships under the Home tab to link both the tables based on a common column. Choose New option to create relationship. First, select any of the two tables, and in the Below option, select the second table. Power BI will automatically select columns in both tables based on common values. Choose cardinality as many to 1, since Annual Gross Sales table has many lines of country name one by one, whereas continent table has unique list of country name. Now, to test the relation between two different tables, let us select the list visual and add country from Annual Gross Sales table, and continent column will be added from different table. We see that two columns from different tables are showing the same result as lookup value function. This is because of the relationship created between the two tables. Now, practice your skills on lookup value and create relationship with Power BI Basics for all.